Today we'll show you how to download UpScrolled without anything. Just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First go to Play Store and click to Play Store and go to search and click and go now. Click UpScrolled like this in the search and go to installer and wait it a few seconds or few minutes. Okay, now I think in the 90%. Okay. Okay, now it's installation and waiting it a few seconds. Okay, now click to open. And here we go. We have now application UpScrolled. It's the better than TikTok. Okay, just follow these steps and follow us for other video to creating account the new. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.